Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to play Call of Duty Mobile and continue the part 2 of the try to get the DOBVRA pistol. And I'm gonna mute today because the sound of the game is echoing. I keep my mic on, so I'm gonna turn my mic while I grind. So I think I'll just complete the wait. I did already complete the one match with the pistol equipped, and we're gonna try to get the new one and test it out in ranked. No, I mean we're gonna test it out on the shooting range. So okay, let's go. Now, I wanna go for free for all. Hijacked. Oh, California, unforgettable, brskibidi dop.
Free for all.
Go! I got it! I got the DOBVRA pistol! I got the DOBVRA pistol, bro. I got the DOBVRA pistol. I got it, bro. I got it. I got the DOBVRA pistol. I got the Dobra pistol, bro. I got the Dobra pistol. I got the Dobra pistol. I got the Dobra pistol. Skibidi dope, dope.
Nice work. Well done.
Yes, let's go. Let's go. Dobra pistol unlocked. Of course. LOL. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Yo, you have a Kimbo. Damn. Wow. I'm just equipping random things. Damn, bro. Now we're trying this out. We're gonna try this out, bro. And I heard you can actually single map training. Yo, I think I know this one. Okay, let's try it in here. I literally didn't know there was an 80 round mag. I was just randomly equipping thingies, bro. Yo! Wait.
Defend the objectives.
Wait, where's the... control? Oh, yep, it is here. Where the hell is the inspection thingy? Okay, let's turn it on and controls. Yep, let's go. Oh! Unlimited ammo and invincible.
Chopper gunner is ready to deploy.
Yo!
Friendly nukes ready.
No way! Yo!
Enemy has dropped the bomb. Contact with enemy.
You can actually wipe a whole squad with this.
Nice work. Ready for the next round.
No, man.
Defend the objective.
And what does it sound like when... Oh.
Chopper gunner is ready to deploy. Friendly nukes ready.
Unlimited throwables.
Bomb spotted. Target in sight. Contact with enemy.
I'm in this area, bro. No. I think my game is gonna crash. I don't know. Yo, it's bright. What? No way. Let's remove that Kimbo.
Defend the objectives.
The hell? down. It actually looks good. Infinite powerful! I don't know why I'm doing okay. Gonna watch it explode.
Smoke out! Smoke out! Smoke out! Throwing smoke grenade! Smoke out!
Trench warfare, bro.
Just drop the bombs. Get ready for the next round.
What the hell? Oh, okay, so this side is like what?
Destroy the objective. Enemy contact. Target in sight.
I don't know why I'm doing this.
Contact with enemy.
Okay.
Contact with enemy.
Farewell! Okay, so I guess that's all for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, trying to get the DOBVRA pistol, but I already got it.
Enemies.
So thank you for watching this video, and thank you for watching this video, and thank you for 340 plus subscribers. And I appreciate your support, guys, because whoa. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope you still support me until I reach 10k subs. I really want to get 10k subs, you know. And yeah, I got this emote. I don't even know how, but I guess that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video, and we're gonna make a video about ERLC. Yeah, ERLC, Roblox Snacks, and Call of Duty, and just a pattern. Is this new? I really want to buy this new order, bro. Oh yeah, the Winter War, bro. I miss this OG. I miss this OG. Yeah, something like that. And yeah, that's all I guess. I'll stop talking and do my homework now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this and leave a like and subscribe if you're new to this channel. So for today, see you in the next video. Keep safe, everybody.